The Jile Ezu Festival, also known as the Men's Festival or Hunting Festival, is a unique traditional celebration of the Qiang people in Mao County, Sichuan. It honors the hunting hero Hong Nuji, who regretted overhunting and turned to self-cultivation. The festival celebrates his spirit of self-reflection and respect for nature. The festival's two main activities are sacrificial rites and hunting competitions. In the morning, a Shibi leads a sacrificial ceremony, reminding villagers to respect nature and avoid random hunting. In the hunting competition, men use handmade bows and arrows to shoot animal-shaped buns, passing on hunting traditions while showing respect for nature and wildlife. Women sing songs of praise to welcome the returning hunters, and the whole village dances the selling dance together. Activities like pushing sticks and egg-holding games, rooted in the Qiang ancestors' hunting and martial traditions. Amid lively celebrations, they pray for good weather and a bountiful harvest in the new year.